To Mathematics Olympiad. Today I will teach a special problem for Math Olympiad. Our topic is constructing function to solve problems. When you have a problem, how make the function to solve the problem, okay? In our case, number one, let A, B, and C and D be real numbers. A plus B plus C to the second power greater or equals than 2 times A to the second power plus B to the second power plus C to the second power plus this together plus 4D. We have to show that AB, times AB plus BC plus CA greater or equals than 3D. All right, so how started to solve our problem? If we prove, for instance, if we prove we have some thinking, critical thinking, if we prove that AB greater than D, right? EB greater or equals than D, and similarly, prove BC greater or equals than D, and whereas CA greater or equals than D, right? The proposition follow, the next proposition that I will to write it, the original problem can be written this way. C to the second power minus 2. All right, we have 2 times A plus B. So it's a critical thinking right here. Okay, plus times C plus let's say A to the second power plus B right there minus 2AB plus 4D, whereas less or equals than 0, right? Yeah, less or equals than 0. C to the second power minus 2 times AB, C times C. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. So we construct a function. So we construct a function. I write it because we have to construct the function f of x. Okay. From here, f of x equals x to the second power, right? Minus 2, open parenthesis. Let's write a minus b times x plus a to the second power, whereas b, okay, b plus b to the second power minus 2ab, right, plus 40. Okay. And this is minus. Let's write minus, right? Because it is the same right here. Is this one? C minus. All right. This is my function. So So the solution with this, started with this. Now we have to find the solution. Remember, we have to construct the function. I will erase this here. I keep this over there, and then the solution. Okay, so we construct the function, this function. Review. We construct, actually it's plus here, it's not minus, all right? The function, let's write the function again right here. F equals x to the second power minus 2 times a plus b, x plus a to the second power plus b to the second power minus 2ab plus 4d. All right, let me erase it here. So write it right there for don't lose in the process, okay? So then the graph of the f of x, is it's on a upward opening. The graph, let's write graph. Graph is open, okay, opening. Parabola. And we have the focus. The focus of C is less or equals than 0. Okay, so then we have hints. The parabola has intersection points. So this parabola has intersection points, and the x is x. Okay, let me simplify right here. Inter points of the parabola. Okay, the parabola is the x-axis, the x-axis. Okay, so we will have this triangle equals a times a plus b to the second power minus 4 minus 4 times a to the second power b plus b to the second power, all right, minus 2ab, okay, plus 4d here, greater or equals than 0. All right, we are here now. This is an equivalent to a b greater or equals than 0. Okay, so similar can prove the bc greater or equals than d. Okay, I mean not 0, d, here c, and then also ca greater or equals than c. Okay, adding the t inequalities, we have when we get it, a b plus what is our problem? Yeah, ab plus bc plus ca greater than 3d. All right, and that's the solution. That's the solution to our a Math Olympiad problem. This is the solution because we have to prove this. Only we have to prove. All right. This is a talent class. I will show you another problem. Two problems to our class. This is the first one for Math Olympiad using this construction function to solve problems. These kind of problems coming in the big test. It's a competition. So problem 2. Let's write. Suppose let's write this problem. X, comma y belong to this pi divided by 4, comma pi divided by I mean this is negative and the positive and positive 4. One negative and of course a belong to the real numbers. And write these couple problems. Have these problems here. X to the third power plus x to the third power plus sine x minus 2a equals 0. The second one, 4y to the third power plus 1/2 sine 2y and sine 2y plus 8 equals 0. Okay. We have to work with that problem. We have to find, look at this, find the value of cosine. We have to find the value cosine of x plus 2y. X plus 2y. So the solution. So the solution. This is our problem. Look at the problem there. So this is a system of equation. This system of equation, we are able to, we can write it in this way. The equation we can write it, we are able to write it in this way. Look at this. It's x, the third power, plus sine x, okay, equals 2a. All right. The second one is a system minus 2y to the third power plus sine times negative 2y equals 2a. All right. We are able to rewrite it, this equation. So here, look at this. Let I must to erase some information here. Let f of t equals t to the third power plus sine of f. Okay. So then here f of t, okay, f of t equals f of negative 2y. So we have x equals negative 2y. All right, and and x, I will use this corner, and x plus 2y, and x plus 2y equals 0. So therefore, here, therefore, so the cosine, could find the cosine of this, the cosines of x plus 2y is equals 1. This is our solution, all right? To this mathematical Olympiad. So easy this couple of problems. Just some practice when you see in your big test, this kind of the talent. All right. Thank you so much. I hope this class become helpful to your knowledge or to your mathematics Olympiad.